Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One powered rail every 4 blocks does the job uphill, like this: powered rail, 3 normal rails, powered rail again, 3 normal rails, and so on. If you start with a cart that is not sped up already, use 2 powered rails at the bottom of your hill track. 5 March 2012.
Take our lead.
In order to attach a lead to a minecart, you need to crouch and right-click on a minecart and the other minecart you want to attach. If you aren't crouching, you would just be sent into the minecart. Then, if you send a minecart off, all of the other minecarts attached to it will follow it. 14 September 2013.
Let's help you make your mark.
You can activate powered rails by either powering them with redstone, or using detector rails. Redstone torches are the easiest way to go, and will power the rail if they are adjacent to the powered rail, or underneath the block the rail is sitting on.
Let's help you make your mark.
The Activator rail is a type of minecart-based rail that can set off minecarts with TNT, deactivate, activate minecarts with hopper, and drop off any player or entity inside the minecart. The Activator rail must be powered to do this. It acts like a normal rail when it's not powered.
Take our lead.
Powered rails can increase or decrease the speed at which minecarts travel. This type of rail keeps a minecart moving on the railway. Activator rails cause any minecart that runs over them to drop off any player or material that is being transported. A standard minecart allows players to travel in them. 22 April 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.